This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Tuesday, September the 9th. Starting out, we got the FAS, the Foreign Agricultural Service, export numbers that come out of the USDA for the year, for the 2024-25 marketing year. Yesterday's export inspections report put a bow on the that marketing year's shipments. Here's where we're at. On corn, 67.76 million metric tons is what the FAS said we exported. Now, census data, which does run a little bit higher than the FAS because it can also contains rail and truck movement. Bottom line, the census export number, now this is through July, came in at 66.13 million metric tons. According to weekly data, we shipped out 6.11 million metric tons of corn in the month of August. So the bottom line is, looks like we're going to come in just shy of 5 million metric tons larger than what the FAS has for corn exports for the year. So pretty good number there. Same scenario in soybeans. FAS has the yearly exports at 49.97. Census is at 48.95 million metric tons. And we had August shipments at 2.12 million metric tons. So looks like we're going to be at about a million metric tons larger on soybeans than what the FAS had in the weekly numbers, cumulative numbers. It may not seem like a lot, but if we cut our carry out by 36 million bushels, even, it's a pretty big cut. Just further into that rationing position is where we'll go. Quarterly stocks, the September quarterly stocks as of September 1st will come out at the end of the month on September 30th. Those will probably be the numbers that will verify these the exports, but something for us to look forward to. When it comes to soybean trade right now, all we've heard about is how China has been avoiding the United States. Guess what? Brazil not selling a lot of soybeans to China either. Over the past 2 weeks, Brazil has only sold 12 soybean vessels to China, just a token amount, not very much. Tells us either China is continuing to rotate inventory, they have a little bit more soybeans on hand that they're not that aggressive, or they're waiting to see what happens with the U.S. crop. Pick your poison. It's one of those three, I'm sure. Uh, Sticking with Brazil, planting underway. The corn crop, 12% in the ground. That's the first corn crop. Soybeans is just enough to say that they've started the planting season. Corn planting, 3% behind normal, but soybeans seeing just a touch ahead. Going to be interesting to watch. We're going to see the weather focus switch to South America now that planting is underway down there. We're going to watch total acres. Input costs are expected to trim corn acres in South America a little bit this year, same as they could in the United States next year. Something we'll definitely be keeping on our peripheral as we move forward. Those are the three things I'm watching today.